Hello there. Want to make a quick tip on this screen repair on many phones, including the iPhone, Samsungs. This one's here is actually a Pixel, but they all have very similar features when it comes to groundings. If you see this little clip here, that little metal clip right there, it is a grounding clip. It basically controls the static electricity and other stuff in the ground mechanisms in the phones. I see a lot of phones come in here, and I see a lot of people doing them from home that come in and have problems with the screen glitching around and bouncing around everywhere. And then when I open the phones up, I see they did not reinstall the grounding clips. So grounding clips are very important. Here's a screen for an iPhone XR. There's a grounding clip that actually goes right here that many people, not XR, excuse me, X and XS, and this really small piece of metal looks like a little L. It screws in the screw hole there. It is important, so make sure that when you're doing repairs to always reinstall anything you take out of the phones. There's a lot of engineering that goes into these things, and you know, if you leave a screw out or a grounding clip out, it can always cause problems. Thanks a lot.